Hi everybody, I am doing a what I got for Mother's Day slash haul, but everything that I've been purchasing is pretty much what I got for Mother's Day. So let's do, well, let me show you guys these two new bags. I know it's insanity. My beautiful Hermes Kelly 25 in the color Gris Neve. It's supposed to mean gray snow. So I love this. I've been using her. She's beautiful. She's very handy. And I've been caught in the rain with this bag twice now, in the rain and the snow actually, and she's in perfect condition. The only thing is that my twilly has gotten dirty, so thankful for this twilly. And then I did just get my Louis Vuitton Capucines in this stunning coral color with the rainbow iridescent hardware, and this is the Capucines mini, and I've been wearing her non-stop since I've gotten her up until yesterday because I just got something, and yeah, we'll show you guys. But yes, these are technically my Mother's Day presents on top of what I'm unboxing today. Side note, because I did just get this bag, I am selling my Louis Vuitton Lock Me Tender in the grayish color. This beautiful bag with the chain and the crossbody. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, I thought that I would use it more, that I would reach for it more, but I haven't, and it sucks because she's so beautiful, and I know one of you out there would love her more than I do. So if you are interested, please send me a DM on Instagram and we'll talk price. I will be very fair and reasonable. This is not a true unboxing because I did just do a YouTube shorts with it, but you will see it later on too. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social medias, and you'll see everything that I have been doing. Anyways, this is my first ever Chanel SLG. I've purchased their fashion jewelry. I've purchased obviously handbags, but nothing SLG. So, and this is super cute. I did get the camellia, and I just redid this myself, so it's not very well done. And I'm umming and ahhing about it because I don't really know if she's worth keeping, because I felt I was there, I didn't want to waste the SA's time, so I just kind of bought something to buy something. I do really like it, I just don't think I love it. It came in this very nice black velvet, oh, this is really nice, dust pouch, and it is this card holder, and it comes with that flap right there. So it has a big opening on the inside, a slip pocket right here, and then another slip pocket in the back. It's fairly generous. I don't know if this is just my eyes playing tricks with me, but hopefully you guys can see this. And this is in the champagne gold hardware and caviar leather. And yeah, I don't know if I want to keep her because, like I said, I'm not fully invested. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, she's super cute. I think she can and she will fit plenty in here. And I don't know. But that's the first thing. Okay. Next item is, I have been loving Louis Vuitton recently. Crazy, I know, crazy. And I think I'm making up for the past year or so that I haven't been buying anything. I know that's bad, but I don't think that anything else would catch my attention. So yeah, this, I did also do the same thing. I filmed a shorts for it, so I just repackaged it. Proof of purchase, I did receive a bunch of perfume samples from my CA. This is a very bad reboxing. Oh my goodness. If you guys have any guesses, please let me know down below. I know people hate that, but Louis Vuitton dust bag. And this is really popular style wise. When it first launched, I was not very particular about it, but in this colorway, fell in love. 2 handles. So pretty. Look how beautiful this colorway is. It's in this beige and it's dark orange, light orange to yellow. It's more of that gradient effect. I hope you guys can see how truly beautiful this bag is. I don't know if it's just my eyes, or hopefully it's actually capturing true colors on camera. But yes, and then in the inside there is the strap. And one thing I do love about this is it comes with a thin strap. It's a really strong word, but I really dislike thick shoulder straps, because me personally, I already feel that I have narrow yet broad shoulders. Thin straps is definitely my preference. It's very comfortable and adjustable still, and I believe this is calfskin leather. And I also like that the D-rings to hook the straps are on the inside of the bag, so that when you're not wearing the strap and you're just holding it handheld, it's not sticking out on the corners. That's a really nice design. And on the rivets right here, it says Louis Vuitton all over, and all the hardwares match, which is a necessity. It should be by now. The only thing is you only do get the clasp closure. However, you do have 2 slip pockets on the inside right here, and you do have a 1 zip pocket for maybe your wallet and such. This is the price on this bag. I can also link it and put the actual bag details down below, so if you are interested, you can just hit add to cart. And this is so beautiful. It is a new release. It just launched, I believe, the first week of May for sure. And this colorway is everything. This is the iPhone 14 Pro. I'm just seeing if it fits in this zip pocket right here, and it does. It's actually fairly generous and it's deep, so that's good. It also will fit the pockets. It is stretching it a bit, so I'm not gonna put it in there, maybe without a case on. But like I think I mentioned that it is leather on the interior. I think it's microfiber, because it's definitely not suede, and it is this really light beige color, so definitely put a lining or some sort of something to put inside to protect it. I'm really messy, so I definitely need that. Are these shoes with this shirt with this bag. Look how freaking cute this combo is. Wow. I'm gonna do quick mod shots. I have my shirt from online, my Hermes belt, jeans are from Target, shoes are these Coach slides, and Louis Vuitton bag. How cute! I like your bag. Thanks, baby. You like my coat? I do. Thank you. You're welcome. Here's on the shoulder. I'm 5 foot for reference. I like that. Your dress is beautiful. Yeah. And I like that these straps go down. So if I do decide to wear crossbody, and this is a little bit higher, I do prefer my crossbodies higher in terms of when they're open like this. So I can just put my hand down and feel a little bit more safe. But like I said, this is adjustable. So there's, oh, where is it? There's 1, 2, 3 more adjustments. This is currently on the 1, 2, 3, 4th setting. And if I wanted to, I can make it longer. This is how it sits longer, so it's below my hips. And if I wanted it to go higher, let's show you. This is where it would sit, just a few inches below my chest. But I do prefer the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adjustments. I like it on the 4th. It's cute. I will do a more in-depth review later on, but I hope you guys found this video helpful, and please subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you next time.